If you are looking for an AI automation tool, you might have come across OpenClaw and NanoClaw. Both tools help automate tasks using AI agents, but they are built for slightly different users. In this quick video, I'll compare OpenClaw versus NanoClaw, so you can decide which one is better for you. What is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is an open source AI agent framework designed to automate complex workflows. It allows developers to create AI agents that can perform multi-step tasks, interact with APIs and tools, automate research or coding tasks. The main advantage is flexibility. Because it is open source, developers can modify and customize it however they want. However, it usually requires technical knowledge, making it better suited for developers or advanced users. What is NanoClaw? NanoClaw, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and speed. It is designed as a lightweight AI agent tool that lets users run automated tasks with minimal setup. With NanoClaw, you can launch simple AI agents quickly, automate small workflows, run tasks without heavy configuration. Because it is lightweight, it is often easier for beginners or smaller projects. Key differences. Complexity. OpenClaw more powerful but requires setup and coding. NanoClaw simpler and easier to start with. Performance and scale. OpenClaw better for complex automation and large workflows. NanoClaw ideal for lightweight tasks and quick automation. Customization. OpenClaw highly customizable because it is open source. NanoClaw more limited but easier to manage. Learning curve. OpenClaw higher learning curve. NanoClaw beginner friendly. Which one should you choose? Choose OpenClaw if you are a developer, if you need complex AI automation, if you want full customization. You choose NanoClaw if you want something lightweight, you prefer quick setup, and if you are just starting with AI agents. So in short, OpenClaw is more powerful, while NanoClaw is simpler and faster to start with. And that's all for our today's comparison. If you find it useful and helpful, please consider like and subscribe and share this video to your friend who wants to know more about OpenClaw and NanoClaw. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get all the news about different softwares. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.